BSL, English audio with subtitle support. Site of Parlwr Mawr, Conwy. A large townhouse called Parlwr Mawr was erected here in the late 16th century. It had a hall on the ground floor and a great chamber directly above it. It was the 17th century residence of John Williams, one of Britain's most influential men. His coat of arms, modelled in plaster, adorned one of the rooms. The house was demolished in 1950. John was born in Conwy in March 1582 and educated in Rhuthun and St John's, Cambridge. His father, Edmund, came from important houses of Penrhyn and Cochwylan. His mother was from the Wyn family, owners of nearby Plas Mawr and other properties. After becoming a priest, John found favour with King James. He became Dean of Westminster in 1620 and Lord Keeper of the Great Seal and Bishop of Lincoln in 1621. The portrait shown here was probably made in the 1620s and is at Corpus Christi Church, Tremirchion. After King James died, John temporarily fell out of favour and was imprisoned in the Tower of London from 1637 to 1640. He became Archbishop of York in 1641, but his outspoken political views again landed him in the Tower in the same year. Released from prison 6 months later, he fled back to Parlwr Mawr after a death threat. As civil war loomed, John repaired Conwy Castle and the town walls at his own expense. But in May 1645, he was evicted despite promises that the king would repay his expenses. This caused him to switch allegiance and help parliamentarians to capture Conwy town and castle in 1646. John took part in the attack and was slightly injured. He died in 1650 at Glodaith Hall, Llandudno, and was buried at Llandygau, Bangor.